I'm Eddie Hernandez. I'm from Riverton, Wyoming. Last year I came here for a 2-week training course, and I've done it every day since. And then I just figured I needed some more knowledge, so I asked James what we could do to get me into another class, and he was like, "Oh, just call Share," and we got it hooked up pretty good. So I got down here another 2 weeks, at 1 year exactly, and just trying to get more knowledge into some blending and bigger dents, and it's really working out. And I like that instead of starting from square one again, they just seen where I was at, and now they're evolving my skills. So that's exactly what I was looking for. So after I left here, I have about 6 dealerships that I travel around Wyoming. And every single day I was doing a dealership, and just learning every day was different. Because here they set you up with easier dents, and so you can get your knowledge easier. But then once you get onto the field, it's a whole different game. You have different dents, and they all react differently. And it was fun, and to learn different things and to just do it every day. And like other people will say, if you don't do it every day and you stop for 3 days, Monday's going to be different. So that's one thing that I try to do, is just keep doing it every single day, even at home, just so I don't lose that day of, "Oh, I don't know what I'm doing," for when I come back on a Monday or what have you. So I appreciate the Dean King for taking me back for another 2 weeks. It's still being a blast. I still got a week left and ready to keep going.